Hello everybody in here, welcome back to Steeples Reviews. Right, now today I'm reviewing this RC toy because it's basically like a flying disco ball. You can buy these on Amazon and these are around £5 to £10 on Amazon. They're great for kids. It says in the box it's for 14 plus. Let's have a look at inside the box anyway. There we go. Now inside the box you'll get a little yellow controller. This is for switches off and on. You also get a USB charging port socket. So you charge your USB. This is the disco ball itself. It looks like a green planet. It has these wings here, and this part here is for balance it, so it stays up in the air basically. At the bottom here you get the switch, off and on switch. You get the sensor and the charger port at the bottom here. And that's about it for that. Yeah. See you in a minute. I'll just try. I'll show you this on. Let me know what you think. Right, everybody. Here it is. I'm going to switch it on now and give it a go. Put it over here so you can see it's better. Switch it on. It's the starter, man. Pop it down. What you do then is just basically just center. Like that. You have to do that. Put your hand underneath it like that. Just keep it going, keep going. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Oh. And you use this button here, switch it off, switch it off. Like that, goes in your hands like that. Yeah, quite fun to play with. I mean, just let me know what you think anyway in the comments below. I mean, you can pick these up for cheap anyway, about £5 or £10 like I say. I'll put the link in the description below where you get to buy this from. Apart from that, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.